Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on iPhone. Install a cloud gaming app, link your PC library, and stream the game to your iPhone. First, set up your PC as the host, enable remote play, and verify controller or touch input compatibility. Then optimize graphics and network settings for lower latency. I'll walk through common issues and simple fixes so you can enjoy smooth Sims sessions on a phone. Start by installing a trusted cloud gaming or remote desktop app on your PC and iPhone, then sign into the same account on both devices. On the PC, enable streaming or remote play in the Sims 4 game client and check that firewall settings allow connections. Connect the iPhone over a fast local network or mobile hotspot with low latency. Finally, pair a controller or configure touch controls so gameplay feels natural and responsive. To get the smoothest gameplay, reduce Sims 4 graphics settings like shadows and texture quality on the host PC, and lower the streaming resolution if needed. Prefer a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or stable 5G connection for reduced lag and fewer frame drops. Close unnecessary apps on your PC and iPhone to free CPU and bandwidth. Also test different controller mappings and touch overlays to find a setup that feels comfortable for long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.